Today we're going to turn this pile of onion rings into this pile of onion rings. We start with 2 cups of flour, a half a cup of cornmeal, and then to that we add 2 tablespoons of sugar, a half a teaspoon of salt, and we give it a stir to make sure it's all mixed well together. Then we put in a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, a large egg, and then a 12-ounce bottle of beer. It doesn't really matter what kind you use, although I did not like it when I used Coors Light one time because it was too sweet. Then we mix that together. It's going to end up a relatively thick batter anyway. We don't want it so thick that we can't dip an onion in it. Then we just put our onions in there, make sure they're all coated. And what I do is I pull them out directly from here and into the hot oil, which is at 375 degrees. I use a deep fryer, but you don't need one. You could do it in a pan if you have a thermometer. Okay, let's move them to the oil. You have to watch and make sure they float up because sometimes they'll go down and stick to the bottom. There's actually one you can see that's stuck there now. That one. Fry them till they're nice and golden, and there they are. They're all done and they're delicious. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next video.